Beautiful nature.
Welcome to Barangay Natividad!
Hello guys! Gusto nyo bang mag-enjoy at mag-happy-happy? Punta na kayo sa Natividad.
Alam nyo guys, dito sa Pilipinas, maraming magandang kalikasan na na-discover. Pero ang di nyo alam, dito sa Barangay Natividad, marami bang kalikasan ang hindi na-discover. Kaya tayo na guys, atin tuklasin.
Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Punta na kayo.
Okay guys, let's go!
Mangroves Forest in Natividad.
Above all powers, above all kings, above all nature and all created
Mangroves
things,
are the shades trees that we can
of
see in
all
swamps or
wisdom
shallow.
and all
Salt
the
water, we
ways of
consider this as one of four
man.
beautiful nature because of its function.
Here
First,
before
it
the
serves as a habitat of some crustaceans, which is a family of
Above
crabs,
all
lobster, shrimp,
kingdoms,
even seals.
above
So much
all
more, the lot of Torek love also delicacy. That's why it is expensive in some restaurants. Aside of being food, growth of crustaceans also are big contribution to help us to have an income or to earn money to provide our daily lines. Then those shady trees can consider as a beautiful spot. We can also enjoy the beautiful sight of the sea and warm water while staying under the trees and hiding from too much shade of the sun. We're so blessed to have this kind of nature. So just enjoy.
To die, rejected and alone, like a rose trampled on the ground. You took the fall and thought of me above all. Above all powers, above all kings, above all nature and all created things, above all wisdom and all the ways of man. You were here before the world began. Above all kingdoms, above all thrones, above all wonders the world has ever known, above all wealth and treasures of the earth, there's no way to measure what you're worth. Crucified, laid behind a stone, you live to die, rejected and alone, like a rose trampled on the ground. You took the fall and thought of me above all. Oh, you were crucified and laid behind a stone. You lived to die, rejected and alone, like a rose trampled on the ground.
Seaweeds are these plants that grows in the sea. As of now, we already have seaweeds farming that can be considered as a main livelihood because we discover what beauty in it and yet there's a lot of benefits we can get on seaweeds. A lot of food products can be made like gelatin or gulaman at SAR. can be used also as preservatives of some products and rate others. It's wow also for us to see the farming areas one of the beautiful nature in the sea can be considered. Coconut tree. Coconut farming in our region can be considered as beautiful nature. We can take a rest and relax in the farm while seeing the beautiful sight of those coconut trees and enjoy the taste of